Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How are you all? Fine. And you? I'm also fine. So today we are playing debate, and our topic is knowledge versus degree. My partner name is Ajit, and my name is Himanshi. So let's start. So I think Ajit sir, that knowledge is much more better than the degree because of the because everyone here now has degrees, but they
how
do
you
not
can
have
say
the
that
knowledge
everyone
about
here is now is a degree, everyone studying here and don't have any kind of degree first of all, and without degree you cannot get any kind of employment in the interview. You need a degree to show that yes, I am capable of that thing, and you
Okay,
can
sir,
do that.
how can you say that for the interview you need the degree first? If you have the knowledge about that, you can get any kind of job. If you have the knowledge about any kind of field you are
First of all,
then
how
you can
many
get the job.
interviews did you have cleared? I have cleared 3 interviews. All of the interviews they have asked me for the degree, okay, and without degree there is no certificate that you are you have a skill
Okay,
in that.
sir, how can you say that you have completed the 3 interviews and they were asking for your degree? Degree is not much more important because nowadays people are
Because I am
unemployed.
working, ma'am. That is why I know I have cleared the interviews. You can ask anybody. I have speak about that. That
Okay,
is
so
why I know about
okay,
that.
so what will you say about those who have the degree but they do not have the employment? They are not doing any kind of job because they do not have the knowledge
It
about
is just
that.
because of the lack of employment that they are not having the degree, and because of the ignorance of the people who have the degree but they didn't study at all. That is why the employment is low in the term of in India, but the degree is too much important right now.
Okay, let's talk about those people who has already the degree but they do not have the knowledge. Like Ritik sir also mentioned previously that his brother is he has cleared his classes but he don't even know how to write his name. So how can you say that degree is much more important? if
That
they
is
do not
called the
even have
knowledge, ma'am. That is what you are speaking about. If that person doesn't have any kind of knowledge, how will you say that? And the degree, you can prove that you are having the knowledge. You have
Okay,
time.
sir,
to
you
invest
also
it.
mentioned that if person do not have the knowledge, it's all about the knowledge. If you have the knowledge, you can do whatever work.
If
you
that person that doesn't have a knowledge, how can that person get a degree? First of all, tell me that. And because it doesn't
okay,
have
sir,
any
you
kind of
also,
school.
Okay, sir, you also supported me somehow. You said if the person do not have the knowledge, how can they get the degree? Right, sir? So first we need the knowledge about anything, then we can get the degree. So
Okay,
please
first of
accept
all,
that.
let me clear you. First thing, I'm not supporting you at all because the degree is too much important nowadays. Because everyone, you will go any kind of interview, any kind of job you are
Okay,
going
sir,
to do.
then tell me about yourself. How much degree do you have? Do you also mentioned you do not have any kind of degree, but still you are doing the job?
I'll
because
have
you
my
the
degree.
knowledge.
Don't concern about me. I'll have my degree, okay? And I don't want to share it right now because I'll having my degree and I'm pursuing right now. That is why I'm employed right now because I have told them in 2
Okay,
years
sir,
I'll get my
previously you
degree.
mentioned you are a student and you do not have the degree, and in this class not everyone has the degree, but still you are doing the job. You cleared 3 interviews.
I think
and
you are not.
also doing
I think
the
you are
job.
not listening properly. That I have mentioned in my interview clearly that I am pursuing my degree BBA, and in 2 years I'll get my degree. That is why
Okay,
they
sir,
have employed me.
you do not have your degree with you right now, right? So still you are doing the job. You are getting the money.
It is
you
called
are earning the
internship, ma'am.
money.
It is called internship because you are not doing any kind of job or you are not doing anything. That is why you are not aware about it. I am doing a part-time job, and after my degree, I'll get a full-time job. Okay, so listen carefully. Then only you will understand.
Okay, sir, you also mentioned me. Let me talk about myself then. You mentioned that I do not have any kind of degree. I will accept that, but I still did a job because I have the knowledge about that.
You did a job and you got fired maybe because you doesn't have any kind of degree. That is why, because degree is too much important. If you are going to be a manager, there will be a need of degree. Okay, so get a degree, then get a job.
Okay, sir, how can you say that I got fired? If you don't know about myself, please don't go personal. And let me tell you that degree is not that much important because in our
I am saying that because
people you did not used to have the degrees. They have the knowledge. They were doing very.
we are
great
not
job.
living in previous time. We are living in 21st era where degree is too much important. I said that because you are fired because you mentioned you did the job. It was in the past, so maybe that could have been the possible reason. That is why I am saying you were doing the job but you doesn't have that kind of
Okay,
degree.
sir, in future if you will leave your job and someone will say that you were fired, but how will you feel? Let's not talk about that. Let me tell you, in ancient time people used to have the knowledge. Because of the knowledge they did a lot of things for us. The facilities that
Why
we
you are
have right
talking
now is
about
because of
ancient
them.
period? Because a degree is a modernization thing, okay? And in 21st era, we are living in 21st era. Don't go in the previous time. The companies were not in the previous time. Industrialization was not there, okay? So don't go in the previous time and talk about recent time that what are going. And too many peoples are employed. The Indian peoples are employed who have a too much degree.
Okay, let me tell you that those people who are the richest nowadays, they do not even have the degree. They have got the knowledge. That's why they are there right now. And if you
Sundar
are thinking
Pichai,
that degree is
CEO
that
of the
much,
Google, has a degree and he is too much famous. He's earning a lot. Okay, and Elon Musk has a degree. And tell me how many people doesn't have a degree and operating in a MNC company. Okay, you get this few examples, but there are a lot of people who have a popularity in the world, overall world, who has a degree and doing a lot of things in their life.
in my opinion, those who are running behind the degree and they are thinking because of the degree they will get the job, those are fool. Because if you have the knowledge, if you got the knowledge about anything, you can go anywhere and
If
you
the
will get
people
the
are
job.
investing in if the people will not spend in the degree, how the employment will be get, how will teachers will tell them? There's a too much employment. If students are getting the degree, then only the teachers are getting employment, and the people who are teacher, they are supporting the economy.
Okay, let me give you the great example of the Buddha who were in ancient time. He got a lot of knowledge, that's why he was praised a lot, and he did not have any kind of degree, but still he was praised because he got the knowledge.
To give a philosophical orders, you don't need a degree. Okay, to give a particular thing in a particular industry, you need a degree. I'm mentioning that there was no industry. How many industry was there
So
in the
what will you
Buddha's
say
time?
about those people who has the degree but still they are sitting at the home, they are not even earning the money, they are not going for
Just
the job?
because they are not enough skilled man, okay, and the knowledge is too much different from the
So
skilled
such
man.
skills also come from the knowledge. If you are gaining the knowledge about everything,